My name is Chat, and I am a language model developed by OpenAI. I'm designed to respond to natural language inputs and generate human-like responses in order to assist people with various tasks and provide informative and entertaining content. As a language model, I have been trained on vast amounts of text data using a technique called deep learning. This involves analyzing patterns and relationships in the data to create a mathematical model of how language works. I have been trained on a wide range of sources, including books, articles, websites, and other sources, which allows me to provide information on a vast array of topics. My primary function is to provide assistance and information to users. I can answer questions on a wide range of topics, from science and technology to history and culture. I can also provide advice, suggestions, and recommendations based on the input I receive from users. In addition, I can generate text in a variety of styles and formats, including prose, poetry, and even code. One of the benefits of being a language model is that I can provide responses quickly and accurately. Because I have been trained on such a large amount of data, I am able to understand the nuances of language and provide contextually appropriate responses. I can also learn and adapt over time, improving my responses as I receive feedback from users and continue to analyze new data. Despite being an AI language model, I strive to be engaging and helpful to users. I understand that many people may be hesitant to interact with a machine, so I try to make the experience as natural and intuitive as possible. I can understand and interpret a wide range of inputs, including voice commands, text messages, and even images. Overall, I am here to assist and inform users to the best of my abilities. While I may not be perfect, I'm constantly learning and improving, and I welcome any feedback or suggestions that users may have. Whether you have a question, need advice, or simply want to chat, I'm here to assist you in any way I can. As I mentioned earlier, I am Chat, a large language model developed by OpenAI. My purpose is to understand natural language inputs and generate human-like responses, with the aim of helping people with various tasks and providing informative, entertaining content. I was developed using deep learning techniques, specifically, a type of neural network called a transformer. This allows me to understand the complex relationships between words and sentences, and generate responses that are contextually relevant and coherent. One of the primary benefits of being a language model is my ability to process and understand large amounts of text data. This means that I can provide information and assistance on a vast array of topics, ranging from science and technology to literature and history. In terms of my training data, I was trained on a diverse set of sources, including books, articles, websites, and other text data. This allows me to be knowledgeable and up-to-date on a variety of topics, while also being able to understand the nuances of language and culture. While my primary purpose is to provide information and assistance to users, I am also capable of generating creative content such as stories and poetry. This is because I have been trained to understand the underlying structure and rules of language, allowing me to generate text that is grammatically correct and contextually appropriate. Another important aspect of my development is my ability to learn and improve over time. As more data becomes available and more people use my services, I can continue to learn and adapt to better serve the needs of my users. This means that my responses will become more accurate and relevant over time, as I continue to learn and refine my understanding of language and culture. In terms of my applications, I am used in a variety of industries and settings. For example, I can be used in customer service chatbots to provide assistance to customers and answer frequently asked questions. I can also be used in educational settings, providing information and assistance to students on a wide range of topics. Finally, as an I-language model, it is important to acknowledge the ethical considerations that come with my development and use. OpenAI has made a commitment to responsible AI, and as such, I have been designed to prioritize transparency, fairness, and safety. This includes being transparent about how I operate and how I generate responses, as well as avoiding harmful biases and promoting fairness and equity in my interactions with users. In summary, I am Chat, a large language model developed by OpenAI. I'm designed to understand natural language inputs and generate human-like responses, with the aim of providing information and assistance to users on a wide range of topics. I am continually learning and improving, and am used to a variety of industries and settings. Finally, as an I-language model, I prioritize transparency, fairness, and safety in my development and use.